That right there is no good. That, my friends, is a tear. I'll throw up a picture after this clip of another piece of the belt that is a little tore up. I shouldn't say a little tore up. It's pretty tore up. Not only did I notice that rip, and when I had the car running, I had noticed noises. So I kind of put my ear to it, and over here near the alternator area, I heard more of, it's hard to describe. Maybe I'll turn the car on and see if you guys can hear it, but I heard a noise and it didn't sound right. So I just went ahead and went onto FCP Euro and ordered the entire Pulley kit. Well, not the entire Pulley kit, but it comes with the idler and then the alternator and of course the new belt. Beautiful price. I think I paid $160 to get it here in 3 days. So the shipping is what made it a little bit more. So it was pretty cheap. $160 or $106. This is one of those. But I'm about to get the job going. I might remove this just so I have a lot of playroom. Because even if I remove this cover for the oil housing, that's not going to create enough room. So if I do, I have to find out a way to mark it, so that way when I put it back on, everything's aligned, because I don't want to mess with the hood latches or anything. But this is my first time doing this, so it's not a how-to. I've watched a bunch of how-tos. The only reason I actually found this out was because my car had coolant just sitting on my under tray. It was just chilling there. And then my pops had said before I took off to my trip to Tahoe that when I left a big puddle of coolant. So I was like, well, I already replaced the reservoir. None of my hoses are broken or leaking. I don't know what that is. So I took everything off. And I think what might have happened is when I left, I think I overfilled this, and out of the bleeder nose right here on the radiator, I think it just slowly pushed out all of the excess because it was too much. So that was my fault, because right now there's no leaking whether the car is on or off, and I've turned it on and off over multiple days. I kind of stopped once I noticed the belt ripped in 2 places though. I didn't want to mess with that at all. This car hasn't been started for 2.5, 3 days. But I don't see any more leaking. I think it really was just me overfilling it, and it pushed out all the leftover. Because what I did when I was under there, it was grimy and dirty and everything. So I took some nice good degreaser to it, pressure washed the bottom of it carefully. Nothing was damaged, and it looks hella clean. If I jack this up, I'll show you. But damn, that shit was dirty, and now it is really clean. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get right into it. It's already been a while. Again, it's not a how-to. This is really me just, you know, doing it myself, because I'm not trying to pay $800 or something for someone to do this when it's not that difficult. Boom, just like that, we got more room. Markings all there for when we put it back. I don't think I need to take out the fan. I'm gonna try it with the fan in. I don't feel like taking the whole fan out. Also, it gives me a chance to check up on the hoses that I couldn't see. And not a single one of them are leaking. Look at that. It's a bad rip. And these are all OEM pulleys too for, I want to say, I think I have 136,000 miles on it. So we're about to go to AutoZone. and grab either a single. If not, we'll just grab a pack. But that's the only thing that I need is a T60 to release the tension. So that's where we're going. That's a beautiful ass Porsche. We got our T55 and our T60. Now we're heading back home. Got the belt off, but damn, it was hard because there was little to no room. I'm gonna show you how freely that pulley right there spins. Definitely the issue. Holy shit. Burning my damn rubber. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that free. 136 miles though, so can't complain. Now this one wasn't too bad, like at all, but since I got the new piece, I might as well put it in. The FCP gives you the Continental, so this thing looks beautiful. And just like that, with the help of my pops, we are finished. I definitely suggest removing this fucking fan, man. Cut ourselves on there, on the fan, everything. Already kind of like primed it by fake starting it, by pressing it and then letting go, and then we let it run for a little bit. It's all on there. Then it doesn't make the noise anymore. Brand new belt. Correctly aligned. Very happy. Just gonna reassemble everything, then I'll start it. So beautiful. It's nice and smooth, quiet. Oh my God. That dude's trying to kill me. But yeah, it sounds real good. Nice little DIY. Glad I was able to do it with some help. All right, so got what this video was about done. Undercarriage, protective for the bumper, and then my lip on. All complete, all back and sturdy, right? Well, why is that gone? Let me take you guys over here and show you guys. Now, you know, I'm not even pissed because it could have been a lot worse on the way back or to the way to Tahoe. But boom. Look at that big boy. God damn. I'm just gonna call it a you know, a long time with these wheels. I've had them for about 6 years. Might sell them, maybe somebody can fix this. It looks deep as fuck though, guys. Like, it looks real deep. It goes all around this. So I don't know if they're saving it, but I might sell it for a couple hundred for the set. Put stock on for now. Go put some new tires, some new cheap little used tires on stock, just to get me around. And then whatever I get with these, plus whatever I have saved up, you know, buy a whole new set of wheels. I mean, it's kind of a blessing in disguise because I did want to upgrade wheels. Not at this moment though, because that is pretty pricey. But hey, you know, that's life. Just throw stuff at you. And that has nothing to do with that. It's a BMW, but Stockton just has the worst roads. And I know it's from here because on the way to Tahoe, there was no potholes. Literally, the way to Tahoe was the smoothest drive I've ever had. This is fucking crazy. Sheesh. That's a fat one. Well, Pulley's done. I'm happy about that. I'm glad that I got to do it, and with some help with my pops. That's actually really makes me happy knowing that I can do stuff like that. I know that there's certain jobs that I may not be able to do at the moment because I don't have a lift, but something like that I really wanted to try. I did want to try my valve cover gasket, but that was a little bit too intimidating, so I had that done a while ago. Let me know if you want a video on what I've done to this car to fix it and to maintain it and all that after 137,000 miles. So let me know down below. It'll be a pretty interesting video. A lot of people say BMWs are break my wallets. Not this car. And it may seem like it because my wheels, but like I said, it's not the car. It is literally the wheels in this town with their shitty ass roads. But yeah, let me know down below how you enjoyed the video. If you want to see that maintenance list after 137,000 miles, I'll do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Don't forget to follow me on both of my Instagrams and check out my website if you want for luxury goods and sneaker restorations.